I just got a box. I'm going to unbox it. That's what you do with boxes, isn't it? I'll do a quick live and hope I don't knock my camera down. Haven't used that stand for a while. So I'm doing the Christmas in Pyrmont on Sunday. And this is going to be a bit tricky because we've got the stand in the way. We've got Christmas in Pyrmont on Sunday, 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock on John Street. So that's near the light rail. And the community centre is on the corner there of John Street. So there's going to be stalls all the way along John Street there. And I'm having a stall. I'll just try and do this without moving my camera stand. So I have got this. When it came today, I was so glad it came before I had to go to crochet class. Crochet class is on today. And this is a stand to put my cards in on the table. I'm not going to put it all together now. I was just unboxing it now. But it's got enough there for 24 slots. So I thought, wow, that's what I really need. I've been doing more stalls lately, and I'd like to have a stand where people can look at the cards more easily. I've got them in boxes. I've got one big stand that they stand on. This is quite sturdy. The whole box is 6 kilos, which I was like, oh, but feeling this base now, that is really good. That's solid. That feels really solid. So I'm really pleased about that. Nice solid base. I'm going to stick that on the floor. My place is a mess. I've got stuff everywhere. I've been sewing, I'm card making, making little ornaments. I've been having a great time. Here's all the bits and pieces. Do not discard them because they're really important. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, look how well they package it. So it had fragile on the box so that it doesn't get damaged. And look at that, packaged really well. So I won't pull every bit out. I'll just pull these bits out to see how big it is. Should grab a card. Let's grab a card and see what it looks like. Hang on 2 seconds. Let's go and grab a card. And I've got some square cards too. Actually, let me get I put all my cards in the other room, ready to sell. I've got an envelope, so this is the envelopes that I use. So that'll fit in there nicely, look. And we've got width, so if I did a square one, I think they'll fit in there too, look. Oh, that's fantastic. Bit of room to move, look at that. So that's cool. That will hold my cards nicely. And I can fit quite a few in there. So when you're looking at them, you can sort of look through them a bit. That's really handy. And there'll be a long pole in there somewhere. Actually, I think that was spaced down, wasn't it? Can't remember already which way it was. Uh-oh. Let's pull that one out. Pull that one out of there. I'll have to put it all together afterwards so that I can take it. Oh, I've got the ironing board here, that's handy. And we've got the pole. Here's the pole down the middle. And again, that is really sturdy. It feels quite heavy. So that'll go onto that base on the floor there. Drop that over there. And then they've got this like a little top bit. Middle bit, top bit, not sure what bit. It'll go in there somewhere. I think it goes down the bottom here. There's a piece down there. Right, we'll do the instructions later. Pop that back in its little thing. And then we've got some more racks. So that's it. Oh, hang on, we've got the base and the other bit in the middle. Cool, well, that's really good. There should be a bit to push the top bit on as well. Or you wrapped up in something. Good. Well, thanks for watching my unboxing. So if you see me on Sunday at Pyrmont on the 24th of November, and I'll be there selling my cards on this card rack. So have fun. See you later. Ciao.